Hi, my name is Alexander Herman and I'm a student at West Valley College in Sarasota, California.
Hi, my name is Chang and I attend Mission College in Santa Clara, the heart of the Silicon Valley.
Hi, my name is Moseley and I attend Sierra College in Brooklyn, California.
Our group focused on the intersection between astronomy and art and humanities as well. So looking at things from an artistic perspective and including different disciplines that have an impact in our world.
So my individual take of this research project has been that it is very not ordinary. It's a combination of not only mixed media art, but also the traditional sense of research, diving into where artist bleeds into scientist.
We looked at how trailblazers in the astronomical field use factors like a disability, which some would use to marginalize them, to their benefit. And to go further, even researching astronomical ideas is breaking the mold because it helps us recognize that Earth is not the only place in the universe, and that humans and Earth are just a minuscule part of universal existence.
So one thing that we did is something called the Apollo 11 mission to the moon art, and what I created is the surface of the moon with the Apollo 11 code as well as the American flag as a symbol for American ingenuity and greatness.
The image I created shows the Apollo code being layered with a photo of a black female trailblazer in astronomy, American mathematician Katherine Johnson. Johnson worked on the Apollo code among many crucial NASA projects.
I took the more non-traditional sense and I made a collage of all the women pioneers that were a part of the mission. I found that there was a lot of underrepresented women that don't get the spotlight.
The Apollo code can be confusing and mind-boggling, which can deter readers from exploring it. A representation like this one I created may help viewers look more into the importance of the Apollo code.
Additionally, we did an activity called the interstellar reddening, and what we did there is in nebulae, what you have is helium, and helium has electrons at different energy levels, and when an electron from a higher energy level drops down to a lower energy level, it emits photons, essentially light, and light at different wavelengths can be measured into a ratio, and by looking at the amount of light and that ratio, we can tell how much dust, essentially space dust, there is between us and a nebula that we're looking at. So we looked at a lot of graphs for that, and it was a very interesting and very comprehensive project that we had.
For example, with found text, we're breaking a mold of how we read and analyze a paper.
Reading a page of a paper, scientific or non-scientific, and then highlighting what's important, what stands out, common themes, key words, and then blacking out the parts that aren't marked or highlighted. And then after that, you can draw on the paper, you can add anything you want, and it really becomes your own interpretation of the piece.
One future direction that one can go with their research is applying found text to different subjects and advocating for its use in classrooms. Not every student learns best in the brick and mortar way. The found text process offers an effective alternative.
Essentially, what I'd like to do in the future, for myself at least, is to take what I've learned here and apply it so that I can look at things in a more visual way and have a better perspective of things that might seem tedious and unnerving.
Something that I would like for schools to implement is within the K through 12 education system is teaching that art and humanities is a part of STEM. It's not just STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It's really science, humanities, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. This is because both artists and scientists use creativity in their work, and they also use a lot of exploratory methods to convey their work. So there's a very clear intersection between the two, and I don't think that's taught in the standard K through 12 system.